Today I want to show you a pretty nice alternative to a traditional storage bin. This is the Haixin storage organizer, and it doesn't look like you can store anything in it, does it? I mean, it's something super flat, right? Well, just wait and see. Let's open it up. Each of these come wrapped in their own plastic here. Put this away over here. Now this top part is the top of the bin, okay? And what we're going to do here is we're going to flip this over, and as you can see, it has some extra panels. You just fold these two sides up, then you fold the front up. There are places here where the sides snap in to both sides, so all you have to do is just snap it together, just like that. There's two snap points. Okay, and now the back wall that does the same thing. So all I have to do is snap it in two places on both sides. And now you have a storage container. Here's the lid. And it just sets on top with friction. Now it doesn't really snap in place. There aren't any places where it snaps, but it does stay on pretty well. And these are designed to stack, which I'll show you in just a second. But here's where the cool part comes in. I mean, you could fill this storage container with all of your stuff. But you can also open two doors on the front so that you get easy access to what's inside when the bins are stacked on top of each other. And each one of these little handles can lock in place because there is a little lock on the top. You just close them, and now they're locked in place, and they're not going to open until you unlock them like that. And you can stack them on top of each other, like this, and this. What do you think of that? That's what I mean by the fact that you can access what's inside them when they're stacked. The bins also have handholds on the side so that you can easily grab them and move them around. And on the bottom, there are built-in wheels, which makes it a little easier to move these around when you have a whole stack of them. And there you have it, the Haixin bins.